So I was scrolling through Twitter and I saw that Beta 11 was dropped today. So a lot of this is a fairly big GDScript refactoring PRs, which is awesome, and hopefully it doesn't break everything I just did in my videos. Awesome. Might introduce some new regressions. So this is something we'll have to watch out for. And if I find any, I'll make sure to post it on Twitter and Mastodon and all those places if I find them. Let's see, be sure to report anything. Yes, please report as many things as possible, everybody. Let's make this thing stable. Ooh. Now, new support for individual precise timing. That's good, good. General, some of the most in this update. A bunch of Android stuff here. That's good. That's good. Animation, a lot of animation fixes. Animation state machine, process for end of fading. Good. I'll just see what these improvements are. I want to know what that is because I use animated Sprite, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but I use it quite a bit. So let's take a look here. Animated Sprite improvement, as support for individual frame duration. Oh, okay. So this actually be really cool. I think they let's kind of run through here and call it here for animation player versus animated sprite. So you got the animation player for advanced cases and animated sprite for simple ones. So just in case you're wondering, which one should I use? This feature will be much faster set of animation. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I use animated sprite all the time too. For I think my signal video uses this one when I set up all the character animations where he attacks and everything, which I'll link at the end of this video. Yeah, the animated sprite is really awesome. So this is cool. So what it does is it adds frame duration, I think, per frame. So yeah, here's this one. Frame duration is 2.5. So that's pretty cool. You can specify duration of individual frames. Default is 1 second. So you could have like, you might want to have one effect that lasts longer than another, and that's really cool. I think that helps with some of the, like, if you want to do some really cool animation stuff. Hence the animation. A lot of C# fixes, great to see. Core ability, change your resource UID, universal unique identifier. Let's see, some safety checks. Ooh, there's a comparison array fix, or a fix for packed array comparisons. I didn't know they were broken. Ooh, okay, so this one, the editor, fix the camera override button not updating in 2D scenes. This literally happened as I was building the Pong game, where I changed the size of the camera for the display because I wanted to change how much was actually when I was rendering the scene and how big I wanted the camera view. And when I would play, it would not update like the display area. And so what I had in the editor was wrong when I actually ran it. So that's awesome that that's fixed. So I actually ran into that one. Fix profiler, cool. I need to do a video on the profiler. Fixed cast, that was producing null, that's helpful. Added new model identifiers for DPI metrics, that's good. Some iOS stuff, whenever I see mobile stuff, that makes me happy because it means we're staying up to date and you don't have to be so far behind, and no one likes having older versions of Xcode on their machine. Allow apply angular velocity of a moving platform. That is awesome. I mean, a lot of this is awesome. Sorting transparent objects, many tests, and even some VR, OpenXR stuff, which I want to get into this year. So in the end, I mean, like it said, it was mostly GDScript fixes, but I think this is the fact that we have so many fixes, and hopefully we don't have as many regressions as they say. But the closer and closer we get to stable, the closer this will be like prime time, and everyone will have them in prod apps. And my goal is to hopefully make a game this year that uses Godot 4, as long as it gets stable. So that's awesome. And I want to know, are you guys using Godot 4? Are you guys trying out the betas? Are you holding off and sticking on 3.5, or what? Like, let me know. Let me know in the comments below what you're doing. That is the update. If you're looking for more, why don't you check out this video all about signals? All right, guys, stay awesome.